This look is about a celebration of life and history, a nostalgic charm. It's a sense of belonging, of warmth, of invitation. It's about coming home. I love this look because it's got the strength from being able to layer and build and collect items that you've gathered throughout your life. And it's because of this strength that you can then accent and refresh with more current trends. If you look through here, you can see this gorgeous movement of port wines right through to burgundies and into the soft pinks and salmons. These are the colours of the afternoon. They're strong and they're muted. They absorb what is going on around, and they link because they're taking in the reds of the wood and the browns of the antiques. Don't forget about your investment pieces, and I'm not just talking about sofas and chairs here. Think about your heirlooms, your antiques. Those are things that can be brought in and link this whole beautiful style together.